guys, I am Daddy the guitarist, singer, songwriter and a composer. Today I want to show you how to play Sugarcane by Camidoh. It's a very easy song. Alright, so this is how you play this song. Key of A sharp, very quick key of A sharp. Shape 1. Take your first finger, place it on the 4th fret, play string 1 and 2. Second finger, 5th fret, string 3. Third finger, 6th fret, string 4. Pick the bottom 4 strings. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to take your third finger and play a flat like this. On fret number 6, do this, and then pluck string or pick string 4, 3, 2. Pick string 4. Pick string 4, and then string 3, pick it twice. Like that, string 3 like that. So, pick string 4, string 3, pick twice, and then string 2 once. So you have. I want you to come back to your shape, and then release it like this. I want you to do it like this. You are playing the E sharp note. You are playing this note, E sharp note. So you do. So do this. Do this. After playing string 4, repeat. When you're still playing that note like that, repeat again, play string 3 and 2. So that is string 3. So and then now play string 2, this note, E sharp note. Okay, so you have. So you have. So you have that. After doing that, I want you to play A sharp note. I want you to play E sharp note, and then I want you to play C note. So A sharp, E sharp, and C note. C note, string number 3, fret number 5. So you have. So play. So you have. So we are here. You've catched that one. So we are here. After doing, I want you to come to 8th fret, fret number 8, and just place your first finger on fret number 8 like that, from string 4, 3, 2, and 1. So I want you to repeat the same thing here, the way you did it, here. Okay, do it here. But after doing it, string 4, 3, 2, string 3, pick it twice. The same way you did here is the same way you did here. So string 3, pick twice. I want you to play it again, going downwards like that. Okay, so. Then shape 7 like this. I want you to, this is a shape 7. and 1, 2. Second finger is playing 9th fret string number 2. Third finger is playing 10th fret string number 4. I want you to pick string 4 and string 2. Like that. So, all that is string 4 to string 4 to. Okay, so you have. Congratulations, you've learned how to play Sugarcane by Camidoh.